yeah, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby's high doll, baby high doll, baby high doll, baby high doll. I can't see my hips, but they're moving. Okay, hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Today I'm doing a little wig show and tell. The girl that I have on today, this is Maeve from Vivica Fox collection. I have Maeve in the color 4. It says that she is a pure stretch cap. She is heat safe from 356 to 392. Very, very specific. Okay. It's a lace front wig, invisible lace part, natural baby hairs. There is a center part, silky soft touch lace. She comes in a few colors, not a ton. She comes in these colors and then these right here. Mostly like natural-esque colors. I scooped Maeve up from Mizbarn for $17.81. Let's talk about her. These are the baby hairs that I laid down. I wouldn't necessarily wear them with the baby hairs like this, but I did want to show you this because sometimes I've been trying to show them a little bit more because I just don't often show them. She has a light yaki texture. The density is pretty nice. This is all the hair to the front. She's long, 28 inches long. I'm 5'6.5". This is all the hair to the front. It's going past my boobage, almost to my natural waist, my belly button. This color is really, really stunning. The cap is really comfortable. It would be, because there's no like actual ear tabs, you could probably shift it a little bit, but I have these baby hairs down, so I'm not going to be shifting it. Let's look at her from the back. Beautiful movement. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful movement. Very comfortable. I think she's super pretty. And for under $20, I think it was a sale, but you know, you can find her on a sale for $20-esque, and it's a beautiful wig for that price. I really love this number 4 color. This is actually a natural brown. A lot of number 4s tend to be a little bit darker actually. This definitely is just a natural dark brown. I love the waves, and then it comes to be this like little, you know, straighter pieces at the bottom. Like I said, this is all the hair to the front, so it's a very natural density. It's a slight yaki texture. It's slightly, you know, texture, but it's definitely soft. This would be a multicultural option for sure. I didn't do much to get her together. I put a tiny bit of heat on, but not much, and that was more just because just from being shipped and packaged, the cap was a little bit humpy. But other than that, I just laid the baby hairs down with a little bit of gel, and that was what I did. So yeah, that's what I have for you. Real quick on my eyes, I am using some more Juvia's Place. I used mostly the Taupes palette by Juvia's, which is this 6-pan palette with these gorgeous sort of taupey colors. And then I pulled a little bit of this Nubian 3, the coral palette from Juvia's, and I used a couple colors from here. On my lips is Too Faced's Melted Matte lipstick in the color Lady Balls. And yeah, the eyeliner that I'm using is my favorite eyeliner in the whole world. This is the ColourPop Gel Cream Liner in the color Venus. I love this color in my waterline. Okay. So that's what I have for you today. If you want to see another Vivica Fox wig, go ahead and check my playlist down below. And if it's not in there, go ahead and request it down below. Okay. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.